Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna dye these carpets. We bought this a month ago and I tried to clean it and I saw that video on TikTok. It doesn't really help. So it has some discoloration here. As you can see, it's like an orange color. And yesterday I found this Dylon fabric color. And we'll see if it's gonna work out, guys. I feel terrible that we bought this a month ago and you know now it has already discoloration, so we'll see if it's gonna work out. Before the procedure, this is my carpet look, so I'm very disappointed. It has a lot of discoloration. The reason why this happened is because I saw a video on TikTok that they're cleaning their carpet or couch with baking soda, but honestly this has happened, so don't try it, guys. So here, guys, we're gonna be using this bowl, brush, Dylon fabric color, gloves, and salt. I just hope it's gonna be enough. Oh my god, it's blue. It turns blue, guys. I'm just not sure how much I should have. It's way better than earlier. Wow, it's really working. Damn, it's really working. As you can see here, guys, it's kind of working, but I think the color is kind of too strong from the original color. So what I did is I put water on the washing machine and put the leftover and soak the carpet for like 30 minutes. After that, I just let it dry outside so the fabric will not damage in the dryer machine.